हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम है लवजीत सिंह और आप सभी का स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पर। तो आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं बिल्डिंग मटेरियल्स का एक टॉपिक, क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ ब्रिक। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट, बिगिन करते हैं। ओके, जैसे कि मैंने बताया कि आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ ब्रिक। सो आप कैसे ब्रिक को क्लासिफाई करते हैं, तो मैं बताता हूं। अगर आप ब्रिक को क्लासिफाई करना चाहते हैं तो यू कैन क्लासिफाई इट एज फर्स्ट क्लास ब्रिक, सेकंड क्लास ब्रिक, थर्ड क्लास brick and fourth class brick. So what are the characteristics of a brick that make it as a first class brick? So let's begin. So to a brick to be a first class brick, it should be deep red in color or cherry in color, or it can be copper colored brick. It should be free from the defects. अगर आप दो ईंटों को लेते हैं, उसको आपस में टकराते हैं, द साउंड दैट कम्स आउट शुड बी अ मेटेलिक साउंड। ओके, लाइक अगर आप दो मेटल्स को बैंग करते हैं एक दूसरे के ऊपर, द साउंड कम्स आउट, द सेम शुड बी द साउंड ऑफ अ फर्स्ट क्लास ब्रिक। The texture should be uniform and even, so it should appear even to your eyes. So the crushing strength, if you talk about a first class brick, it should not be less than 10 Newton per mm square. The water absorption of a first class brick should lie between 12 to 15%, and that too when you keep the brick for 24 hours in the water. So this water absorption 12 to 15% is by the dry weight of the brick. So these were the characteristics of the first class brick. So if the brick possesses any of these characteristics, it would lie under the first class brick. The uses of first class brick are as follows. You can use it for the pointing purposes. So as you can see in the picture, the first class bricks are used and the joints are cleaned to be filled with the white cement so that it appears good. You can also use first class brick where you do not want to use the plaster on the wall. If you want to leave it exposed, you can use the first class brick. As the first class bricks have higher strength, you can also use it for the flooring purposes as shown in the third pictures. So you can arrange the bricks at an angle so that when the load comes, it is evenly distributed, and first class bricks also had a higher crushing strength, so that can be used for the flooring purposes also. The fourth use of the first class brick is to be used as a reinforced brick wall. Reinforcement means using steel for the tensile load to be coming on the walls. So the load bearing walls are made as reinforced brick, are made with the reinforced brickwork. So you can use first class bricks for that purposes too. Moving further, there are also second class bricks. So what are the characteristics of second class brick that make it different from the first class brick? Let us see. The water absorption of the second class brick lies between 16 to 20% of its dry weight. Smaller cracks are allowed. So if you compare it with the first class bricks, some of the defects like small cracks are allowed in the second class brick. The crushing strength should not be less than 7 Newton per mm square for the second class bricks. So these are the characteristics that make second class brick a second class brick. So next, move on to uses. The use of second class brick are somewhat similar to the first class bricks, except they are used for the hidden masonry works. So hidden का मतलब क्या है, यानी कि जहां पर आपको वॉल पर प्लास्टर करना है वहां पर आप इन ब्रिक्स का इजीली इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. Why these walls? Because सेकेंड क्लास ब्रिक्स में कुछ डिफेक्ट्स होते हैं जो कि अगर आप उस पर प्लास्टर कर देते हैं तो विजिबल नहीं होते हैं. सो और स्ट्रेंथ में मेजर डिफरेंस नहीं होता है, इसलिए इनमें इनका इस्तेमाल वॉल्स के लिए किया जा सकता है. यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर, इट इज अ प्लास्टर्ड वॉल in which second class bricks are used. The next classification is third class brick. So what are the characteristics of third class brick? Let us see. The water absorption of third class brick is 25% of its dry weight. If you take two bricks and अगर आप दोनों ईंटों को टकराते हैं आपस में, the sound that comes out is not a metallic sound but a dull sound as compared to the first class brick. The crushing strength of a third class brick should not be less than 3.5 Newton per mm square. The uses of third class brick are as follows. They are used for building the temporary structures. For example, masonry shuttering, यानी कि जनरली हम स्टील या आयरन की शटरिंग का इस्तेमाल करते हैं फॉर्मवर्क के तौर पर, बट यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज shuttering made of bricks known as masonry shuttering. So these are temporary structures made of third class brick. Pedestals to mark the center line of the layout, they are also made up of third class bricks. So these were some of the uses for third class brick. Next classification is fourth class brick. So what are the characteristics of fourth class brick? Let us study. So they are badly distorted in shape and brittle in nature. So brittleness is one of the characteristics of the fourth class brick. So if there is an impact load, such bricks cannot bear it and break easily. They are badly distorted in shape, so they cannot be arranged to form a straight wall. Such bricks are highly overburnt, so these bricks are not used in the wall as they also have lower crushing strength. Some of the uses of the fourth class brick are as follows. So it can be used in the form of ballast. The picture on the left, you can clearly see a fourth class brick. The color is clearly different than the first class brick. First class brick are cherry colored, but you can see that the overburned bricks turn to a blue color, hence there is reduction in the strength of brick. Such bricks are broken into smaller pieces and then they can be used under the foundation of the building or below the foundation of a road. So the picture on your right is the picture of ballast formed from the fourth class bricks. So these were the uses of the fourth class brick. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच.